what are we going to do today is, let us say that we are going to save our work and open the work. So again, we need to go to our query tool. Remember, we go to Postgres and then we go to query tool. Now here my new query tool is opened. I don't have any work written over here. But if you remember in our previous videos, we have already created tables and did some DDL commands and all. So we need to get that work back. So for that, we have to go to this open file. Okay, let's go to this open file and where your particular file is saved. Let me tell you, the extension for the files that we save is always SQL.SQL. So we will be opening this file. So this is how I can open a file and I can still again start working. So you don't have to intermediate delete everything, start over again. You should always keep on saving your files. Okay, and how to save the file. Now we have understood how to open the file, but how do I save it? So let us say you have an option over here which is called as save as. This option is called as save. Okay, that is your control S that we do. But if you want to go for a save as option, so we go for a save as option over here. Okay, and let us say I am calling this as demo 1 for now. Okay, so and I'm gonna save it. So next time I go, I have options whether I have to open demo or demo 1 or something. Okay, so this is how we can save and open the file or the file that we are working. This is very important because you won't be writing the whole code at once. You will obviously need some time, some more research and some more things to do. So that time this things comes very useful. Thank you.